These furnaces are made in Mexico by Nortec Global HVAC for R.E. Michel Company, which is a wholesale distributor of HVAC equipment. The VR104GD units have all aluminum microchannel coils that resist corrosion, but they use a wire grill with a plastic mesh screen to protect the condenser coil. That does not do very much to protect the coil fins from mechanical damage due to hail or debris from lawnmowers. The units have a 13.4 SEER cooling efficiency with an 81% AFUE heating efficiency and can be roof or slab mounted with easy field conversion of airflow. Their warranty is not as good as some of the other brands, but it does have a 1-year unit replacement guarantee in the event of a compressor failure. The units are compact low-profile units, but they are only available through a limited network of dealers in the USA. This brand receives an overall 2-star Don't Buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.